Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing in and opening the problem video so you can test changes in real time. Once the video is loaded, make sure you can reproduce the auto-zoom behavior. While the video plays, open your browser menu and keep extensions or settings visible. This saves time. You want to change behavior, not just appearance, so test now and have a second tab ready to check global versus site-specific settings after each step. Now you target the likely causes: browser zoom, extensions, and player settings. First, reset browser zoom to 100% in the view or zoom controls. That rules out a global scale. Next, disable extensions one at a time, especially layout or accessibility tools, then reload the video to see if auto zoom stops. Also, right-click the YouTube player and look for player-specific options or theater/full-screen toggles. These can force scaling. After each change, test the video to identify the culprit. Once you identify the cause, apply the permanent fix. Remove or reconfigure the offending extension, or save the browser default zoom for YouTube. After making changes, clear cache and cookies and reload the site to ensure settings stick. Make sure to test in incognito or another browser to confirm the problem is resolved across environments. If zoom still happens, update your browser and graphics drivers. And if nothing works, revert settings and try a clean profile to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.